Hey guys, today we're going to recharge the AC in this 2006 Mercury Mountaineer. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button for me, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. First thing we need to do is start our vehicle, and then we're going to turn both of our temperature settings all the way to the coldest setting. We're going to turn our AC on. Then we're going to turn our fan all the way up to the highest setting. Then pop your hood. Now we're going to come over here to the low pressure port, take this cap off, and we're just going to snap our recharge tool on there. Just push it on there and it snaps right on. So this is a classic sign that it's low. So you can see right here the needle moves up into a higher pressure. You can hear it click. The compressor kicks on. When it gets too low, it shuts off. The pressure comes back on, or comes back up. Compressor kicks back on, goes down, kicks off. So what you want to see is just the needle sitting solidly in the same spot in the green there. So to fill it, we're just going to squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. We're just going to let the compressor draw that coolant in, or refrigerant in. And we're just going to do this as long as it takes to get that needle to stay solidly on. So I'm going to do this until the compressor stays on all the time and the needle stays in a solid spot and doesn't keep kicking back on. Alright, my can is empty, so I'm not going to be able to show you it holding steady, but you'll be able to tell when you get yours full. The compressor will stay on all the time, and that needle will stay solidly, it won't move, it'll just stay in one spot. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description below where you can get a recharge hose and refrigerant, so you can check those out if you want. Thanks for watching and have a good one.